Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug. We've got an unboxing, and this one has come. Well, it's been everywhere, man. This box has been reused a few times, so it has come from France. So, yeah, it looks like, but it looks like it's all been reused. So, anyway, bit of useless information. Let's get into it. Okay, just put this knife somewhere safe. And here we need the knife again. So, been meaning to buy one of these for a long time, and the right one just hasn't come along, and then this one come along, and I thought, you know what, Doug, go for it. So I have some. You already know what it is. So it's a Regent Tech. Just be careful with that. And there she is inside. So it's an interesting case that Gillette made, and the ones that have come along, they've either been, that I've seen, have either been really, really good and just a bit out of my price range, or just pretty shabby. But this one fell in the right price range for me, and I thought I'd grab it. Yeah, it's nicely cleaned up. Action's real nice on it. See underneath, not sure if you can or you can't. That looks real clean inside. You'd almost think it hasn't been used, but then you look down here and that definitely has been used. Definitely. Now, you see inside the box, sounds like there's some used blades in there. So that's it, my Regent Tech to join into the collection. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. We'll chat to you soon. Ciao for now.